Happy hellos, beautiful people. How are you doing? I am amped and super excited with the awesome feedback and the request for vegan recipes, particularly breakfast. So today I will be sharing with you my vegan omelette and a filling, and this recipe you can find on my website at videhi.co.za. So I'm going to be starting off with the filling, and for this we will need some mushroom, spinach, tomatoes and some spices. Right, so we're going to start off by slicing our onions nice and fine. I've already peeled the onion. So let's give this a nice chop. Just be careful while you're doing this. You don't want to chop off your fingers. So do take it nice and easy. And now for the mushrooms. We're going to thinly slice these. We're going to chop the garlic. Alright, so let's get cooking. To a heated pan, we're going to add some oil. You can use any oil if you like. I just like using olive oil. Give this a nice swirl. Toss in the onions. Oh, that is nice and hot. Oops, I forgot the chili. We're just going to pop in a few chilies for a bit of heat. Chilies make everything taste better. You may add more or less if you like. Oopsie. The mushroom. And salt and pepper. I'm just using my hands, but you would need about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. Some pepper. We're going to let this cook through until the mushrooms are nice and soft. Yay! You want to cover and let this cook through. Ooh, this is perfectly done. Now we're going to fold in the spinach. You just want this to wilt a bit. You still want the leaves vibrant green. Turn up the heat and add some chopped tomatoes. There you go. You can add as many as you like. Okay, that's perfect. Give it a nice toss. There we go. All done. We want to keep this aside and we're going to get started with our omelette batter. Oh, it's really heating up in the kitchen now. So let's get started with this batter. For this we will need some besan flour, which is chickpea flour. To this we will add some baking powder, turmeric powder, which gives it its nice yellowish color, some black pepper, paprika powder, garlic powder, some asafoetida, which is also known as hing. This helps reduces flatulence and bloating, so it's really important to add this in. Some nutritional yeast, which is deactivated yeast, and it gives that lovely cheesy flavor. And now for the main ingredient, kala namak. So kala means black and namak means salt. It has a beautiful pungent flavor and smell, somewhat eggy-like, and hence the importance of this ingredient in this recipe. We'd need about a teaspoon. Go. Add the water and add little bits of the time, so we're looking for a nice thickish pourable consistency. Make a well in the center and pour. I can can get the smell of the kala namak coming through, which is good. We want to get all those lumps out. We want this batter nice and smooth. If you add too much water, you may just add a little more besan flour. Or if your batter is too thick, add more water. Okay, I think a whisk would work better here to get all the lumps out of the batter. Okay, let me get that whisk. That's more like it. Just whisk, 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 whisk. Get all those lumps out. Maybe a drop or two of more water. And more. So this is what we want. Perfect. Oh, I almost forgot. We need to add some fresh coriander to this. Just slice it in here. This adds a beautiful, fresh, earthy flavor. If you don't like coriander, you can just substitute this out with some fresh parsley. It does exactly the same job, but I just love coriander. Alright, so now we're going to heat up our pan and get this omelette going. I just want to taste this for salt and flavor. Maybe a little more kala namak. Right, so we want to get our pan to medium hot. Add a few drops of oil. And you do need a good non-stick pan. See, just get that oil all over the pan. Ladle in some of this batter. Oh, lovely. And you can spread it out with the ladle. And you can make it as thick or thin as you like. I'm just trying to get it perfect for this video. Oh, let's have a look. Again, we're looking for these little bubbles to surface. We want to cook this ideally for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. Right. Gently flip over. Ooh, yay! Perfect. Nice. Pop them onto a plate. So these omelettes are actually quick and easy to prepare. They are packed with protein and fiber, which makes them the perfect breakfast item. Okay, we're going to turn off this heat. And guys, don't forget, I have a 7-day meal plan and this is part of it. So please do visit my website once again at videhi.co.za to get the full recipe. Okay, now we're going to plate these lovely omelettes. Gonna pop in our filling that we made earlier. Give this a nice stir. Look at all those beautiful colors. To the center. I'm gonna evenly spread this filling out into 4 parts because we will get 4 omelettes from the mixture that I have. And also that is depending on how small or big you make them. Okay, so what I also like to do is just add some fresh spinach leaves to this. It adds a beautiful freshness and crisp to the dish. You don't have to, it's just optional. Now you can either serve this as it is, visually beautiful, or you can just fold it over. Doesn't that look pretty? I'm going to leave this one open and just pop a little more fresh spinach leaves to this. Some more tomato, because I love tomato. Tomato is one of my favorite foods to have. I love them cooked, I love them raw, I love them tinned, I love them dried. Give me a tomato, I will eat it anyway. And there we go, a quick and easy vegan breakfast. I hope you enjoyed, and do remember to make every day a V-Day. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of my plant-based recipes, do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Do visit my website at videhi.co.za. Lots of love and see you in my next video.